read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publisher. Our today's lesson is about numbers 31 to 35. Count and read the given numbers. It's family of 30, okay? How many tens and ones are there in 31? So, 10 and 10 make 20, 20 and 10 make 30. How many ones are there? 1. So, 31. 31. The next number is 32. 10 and 10 make 20. 20 and 10 make 30. How many ones are there? 1, 2. 2 ones. 32. The next number is 33. How many ones and how many tens are there? First of all, I will tell you, there are 3 tens over here. 10 and 10 make 20, 20 and 10 make 30. Now we will count ones. 1, 2, 3. So it's 33. 33. The next number is 34. How many tens are there? There are 3 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. It is number 34. 10 and 10 make 20, 20 and 10 make 30, 34. 34, 31, 32, 33, 34. Next number is 35. How many tens are there? There are 3 tens. And how many ones? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 35, 10, 10 and 10. 3 tens make 30, 35. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.